Where am I? Oh, that was a good night's sleep. 1 second. This isn't my bed. Whose chair is this? Weird. Okay. What's in here? There, because I don't know where to go, and there's dark. Ooh, there's a door. What's in here? Can I open it? Ooh, yes, I can open it. What's out here? Looks like kind of an empty neighborhood so far. Maybe. Oh, there's nothing here. Oh, come on. Oh, I have a good idea. Let's call my sister, and hopefully she picks up. Okay, answer. Come on, Randy. She'd help me. She might know a way. Okay. Hello? Okay, so I'm in this, like, house, and I don't know how I got there. I don't know if someone took me there or what, but I just woke up, and I don't know, I just woke up and I was in this bed, and in this house, and I walked around, and I found the phone so I can call you, and I was wondering if you can come pick me up. And also the door's locked, so I can't, like, yeah, I'm, like, locked.
Okay, let me finish making my...
Like, cause I try to open it, but it just doesn't work.
Okay, let me finish making dinner, which is almost done, and it is done. So I guess we'll have something to eat. But first, we will need to...
Yeah, I really need to hurry, because I don't know who's in. A minute ago, when I first woke up, I heard this noise, and I don't know where it came from. So I really want to get out of here, because it's kind of creeping me out. Because, like, there's no way I can escape, because there's, like, a roof, all the doors.
I have a key right now to unlock it.
Okay. You almost here?
Where exactly is it?
So, like, it's a really small house, and that I don't really know exactly what it looks like outside, but wait, there's an open window. Oh, I can look. Okay, so see what kind of design? No. Okay, so there's like these two walls, and then there's a sidewalk, and there's like there's a white door. I know because I can see it from inside. But I really don't know the outside design. Wonder when she can be here. I think there might be bad connection. I think there's bad connection. So, like, it's this really small house, and the sidewalk has, like, different designs, and then there's these two walls.
Is it rusty?
Maybe? Is that you? Oh, goodness. She's here. Yes. Ah! So you said you have a key?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Oh, come on. I see you.
It's open.
Yes, thank you.
Wait, I want to go look at this.
Well, we need to get out of here because, like, I don't know if people are there. Okay, but Randy, we should get out soon.
Okay, is it on?
Okay, but, yeah, my game, I mean, my, like, I feel,
Is your screen paused? Because, like, you're not moving or anything.
I feel weird.
Okay, just get in the car.
We're having some problems. Okay, but, I can't move. So, I can't my mouse. It's like,
I'm for some extra medicine, and hopefully this will work. I don't know what it's
it's like I can't even look around.
Okay. Here, let me give you the medicine.
Here, let me try a secret thing. I feel a lot better now. I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay, let me. I really want to go home because I kind of want to like go on the computer and research and see what happened because I really don't know and I want to know really bad. So, you remember my hoodie, the white one with the ramp.
What?
I'm pretty sure you remember my house. It's the white one with the ramp. Do you remember it from that time? Yeah. Okay. Okay, there's nobody on the roads. I think we can go. Okay. Oh yeah, there's my house right over there. Yes, home sweet home. Who's at my house? No. I wonder who that could be. Let's go inside, hurry, before she follows us. We don't know who anyone is. Well, we kind of do, but... Okay, I opened my door. Uh, um, let's just go inside. Okay, no, okay. I'm just gonna... I'm gonna go to sleep, and then hopefully this will all be a dream. Whew. I'm just gonna take a long nap.